and welcome to the Ikimono Bonsai channel on YouTube. I am fine, don't doubt it, but today we are going to do some crazy things. I am tired of this Japanese white pine. It's boring. It has terrible grafting place. Here you see some fat place. After that going some same thickness trunk. It's so uninteresting. And I decide to get two trees from one tree at once. Now I mainly use just two tools, root cutter and trunk splitter. And okay, I can grow and prune this pine as I did before, but what can I hope for? I don't think that something good will come out from this trunk in the shortest time. You see, it's another time I say it's uninteresting in its same thickness. I had the opportunity to cut in this place and make after any shohin tree or mame tree, but I think why not? I try to get two trees. Another question is it stay alive, and now the problem is that we repot this tree some later, and now I have no idea how correctly the mass of roots will be distributed into those two parts of the tree. We will try to split the trunk exactly in the middle as possible. I take off these old wires and I start to split it. I saw a lapwing flying 3 days ago, and yesterday a small hedgehog was sitting in the yard near the terrace. This means that spring is coming and soon we have a lot of work with bonsai trees. The wire has already cut deeply into the bark. It's a nice what I take it off now. It's some damage. Let's dry it out branch, take it off this wire. It's a slow growing pine, Negishi. Negishi is slow growing. It's make bonsai growing more slow. The results coming is not quickly. We need to wait a long time. I will start with any work. I check from both sides. Neck or nothing. That is good word for this kind of job. And also I wanna be born with a silver spoon in mouth in this case. The first cross place, I want to look how I can to split this place. It's more interesting for now. Oh, not bad. I place the splitter, and after I press, the splitter is placed. For now it's coming all under control. Oh, nice pine smell. I like this smell. It has a small back branch here. The both sizes coming with same thickness as I see now. But here, the splitting line comes between these two branches, and from the back side is opposite branch. I have to lost it and nothing to do. I cut it off. But I use these shoots for the grafting. I graft them to the larches or to any cedar pine. I search any young trees on my benches in the backyard. And after I split it, I make some graftings. I turn camera to the top. You see this junction, apical growth. Oh, seems good. I take any knife, or I don't know what I take. Maybe any branch cutter. This branch cutter is more easy. It's separated one from another. Inside the trunk is some dead wood. It's more dry, and also it's more strong. But smell is good. Oh, pretty nice. Sometimes lighting breaks so large trees, and some of them remain alive. And I hope after this lighting our Japanese white pines stay alive too. I want to hope this. The lower part, root neck on the surface level, I do some splitting so many as I can. Maybe I do it now with sharp knife. Can I have sharp knife here? I think it is in my car. Yes, I haven't here a sharp knife. I leave alone this very down part of the tree. I want to wait some root work. After a short time, very soon they have to pump moisture to the needles, to the branches. I mean this place. I put some pine bark between the trees. I can say trees. It's completely to separate trees now. Just small part of this root neck is not yet splitted out. Now I want to protect the wood with lime sulfur. Let's see how much they can be bent. I put some wire to the both part. I put with some different angle, not 45 degrees. And also to this part. Whew. It's not too easy. I think what this part is unnecessary. I start to grow using this branch as an apex. I can cut off this part. When the root begins to pump fluid to the branches, energy will be wasted on this. It's good. to take it off to save energy on these places which is more important for us. Can I have some twisted movement? It could be better to twist it. Look at this. That is much interesting. I show from another side. Not bad. I need to twist it in clockwise. I hear any danger voices. It is inside the trunk. This old wood makes this voice. It's enough for now. Let's stay this way for now. I put some healing wax. And I hope we have the 2 trees from one. In a month we will transplant them into separate pots. And for now it is all. Thank you for watching. Welcome to another our episodes and have a nice time with your bonsai trees. See you later.